привет! Welcome to my channel. Hello. Oh, how you doing, buddy? Okay, don't cover my screen. It's my show, yeah? Yeah, it is my show. Welcome to Alla's Yummy Food. Всем привет! I'm Alla, the host of the show, and this is Milo. And today I want to show you how to make blueberry meringue cookies. Guys, they are so good. They look super cute. I absolutely love them. And I love meringue and I love blueberries. So I thought, why not make blueberry meringue cookies? I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. Leave the comments down below what other cookies you want to see. And say hi to Milo. Yay! And guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel. We want to reach 100,000 subscribers. And if you click the little notification bell, you will get notified every single time I upload a new video. Yay! Say hello. Say hello.
In a clean bowl, add your egg whites. Make sure your bowl is nice and clean and doesn't have any fat, otherwise the meringue will not puff up and whip. And then start slowly whipping it just with nothing, on low speed, and then increase the speed as you go until you start to form nice soft peaks just like that. And then we're going to add sugar, 1 teaspoon at a time, and then just keep whisking your meringue until it starts to sort of become more glossy, more fluffy, and just keep adding sugar a little bit at a time until your full sugar is completed. So this process will take 5 to 7 minutes depending on how much meringue you have and how powerful is your whisk and your stand mixer. Once it's all whisked, you can see that it becomes nice and white and glossy, and you can rub the meringue between your fingers to see if there's any sugar left. If there isn't, then it's ready. Guys and girls, I have my recipe on my website at alisyummyfood.com. You'll find full ingredients and also directions on how to make this. And also you'll be able to find loads of other recipes that I do for my channel. Just click on the picture, and you'll be able to see the whole video with the directions and the full recipe in English and Russian languages. Into your pan, add your frozen blueberries. You can also use fresh ones, but you might need to add some liquid. Then add sugar, and we're going to mix everything together. I'm going to cook my blueberries on very low to medium heat for about 5 to 8 minutes until they defrost completely, and then boil them for another 10 minutes or so until you see they become nice and liquidy. Then add your blueberries into your food processor or blender and blitz them away until they're nice and smooth. It should look just like that. And then we're going to sieve it through just to get rid of any excess bits or seeds or anything like that. You want nice smooth puree. Put the mixture into the fridge to cool down completely. Then take your meringue, put it into a bowl, and then add your puree inside. And then you want to mix it all together until it kind of comes together to a beautiful color. So just mix it, swirl it. You can use actually any sort of technique that you want. You can mix it all in, or you can leave a little bit, depends what color you want your meringue to be. Then we're going to take a piping bag with a star nozzle shape, and we're going to put that inside, and we're going to put all our delicious meringue inside. So fill up your piping bag with the blueberry meringue until it's nice and full. It should look just like that. Then we want to start piping. I'm making them really nice and small, so just hold your piping bag and sort of press and then push away. Press and push away, and then they should all look the same and be the same consistency and color. And you can see they're super cute and little, and I absolutely love them. So once that's done, I've put them onto a baking tray as well, lined with some parchment paper. We're going to bake them for about 1 hour at 120 degrees Celsius or 250 Fahrenheit. Once they're done, they should come off your parchment paper pretty easily, and they're so irresistible to eat just on their own. But if you wanted to take it further, what you can do, we can fill them with the delicious blueberry cream. So to make the cream, add your double cream with mascarpone and then mix together until it's nice and smooth. And you don't want to overmix the mixture. So it should look just like that. And then you want to add your puree inside and mix until it's combined completely and has this beautiful color.
So you can add more or less depending on what consistency you like, but it should be looking just like that. Then place a little bit of your cream on top of your meringue cookie and then top it up with your other half. And voila, this is done. I really hope you enjoy these. They're so delicious, irresistible. You can't stop eating them, I promise you guys.